Hi, my name is Alan Shu, and I've been working as an engineer at National Instruments since 2005. Since then, I've been working with LabVIEW, LabVIEW FPGA, and many other NI products on a daily basis. I've worked on many customer applications and a wide variety of them, and my time as an applications engineer. And now I'm a course development engineer, so I use that experience and knowledge to create courses for engineers and scientists like you to become proficient at our tools so you can go out there and create successful applications. Today, what I'll be doing is I'll be going through the LabVIEW FPGA self-paced online training. And in this course, you will be able to learn how to harness the power, the performance, the speed, and reliability of FPGAs. So if you are using an FPGA and want to take advantage of that on a LabVIEW FPGA target, then this is the right course for you. So in the classroom version of this course, students will use a compact Rio, a 9074. They'll use a 9211 thermocouple module, a 9234 analog input module, and a 9263 analog output module. And these will interface with a sound and vibration signal simulator, which has a balanced fan and an unbalanced fan. So in this course, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and demo these exercises for you, and you can follow along in the exercise manual and create the same exact VIs and FPGA VIs. However, if you do not have hardware, then you won't be able to run them, but you'll still be able to get the experience of actually developing them in the LabVIEW FPGA environment. So let's go ahead and get started.